Copying too slow in Windows 10 and 11. So how to increase the file transfer speed? So let's get started. The most easiest and effective way is to use Todo PC Tran. It is here to fix the slow file transfer in Windows 10. Migrate files between drives or computers with this efficient transfer tool. So firstly, launch Todo PC Trans on a Windows computer and navigate to the backup and restore mode and click Start. Hover your mouse over Data Backup and click Next. Later, confirm the default settings of the file name and file path, or you can customize the settings on your own. Now, select the items you want to transfer to the other hard drive. Todo PC Trans allows users to create backup files of multiple file types, including applications, personal data, and user accounts. To transfer files from the one drive to another, deselect the applications and accounts, hover your mouse over files, and click Edit. Now all you have to do is, this is where you need to select files on the source drive. Expand the drive so you can selectively choose desired files. After then click finish. In the end, click backup, wait for the process to complete. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.